Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another lesson in the Su-25 Cadet series. This time we're gonna take a rough overlook of the unguided bombs. This will just be a rough overview of the bombs, and we'll go into more depth about each bomb type and category when we're going to employ them. First off, we have the BED. BED in the name here means something like betonaya, I believe it is. Beton is the word for concrete. In Denmark we also use beton as the word for concrete. So just by the name, its purpose is quite self-explanatory. The AB is aviabomber, so aviation bomb. Its purpose is to be a runway cratering bomb. It is made to make holes in runways. If you are tasked with runway denial mission, this is the bomb to use. Or you can use the brother version of it. It is the BED AB 500 Sturm, and then the P. I do not remember what the P stands for. SH in the name of Russian aviation weapons often means something like Sturmovaya, something like that, and that means assault, and in NATO terms it means retarded parachute. It means that when you drop the bomb, a parachute, that is the big part out here, extracts or expands, and then the bomb is delayed so the aircraft can get further away from the explosion. Then the rocket ignites, you can see the exhaust here, and it bores itself down into the runway, and it, as well as the little brother here, it bores itself down below the surface of the runway. It does not impact on the runway but just under the surface. That means a huge crater is made when the bomb explodes. It is also useful for underground bunkers, or if the enemy is in the basement or cellar of a concrete building. It was used like that in Chechnya by the Russian Air Force. After them we have just a standard high explosive fragmentation bomb. It is nothing special, it is just a bomb. FAB, if I remember correct, it means Fukushnaya aviabomber, fragmentation aviation bomb, including the high explosive. So just a standard bomb. It comes in very different sizes and so on, but just a standard bomb. According to the list here, there is no high drag / retarded bombs in high explosive category for the Su-25 in DCS world. The long pencil-like thing here is the KMGU cluster munition canister. The canister itself will not drop. It will open up through these hatches, and then small bomblets will drop and cover a huge area. It is very, very effective against infantry, soft-skin vehicles, SAM sites, and radar installations. It is borderline useless against tanks, but it's very effective also against parked aircraft and helicopter and so on. But just remember that the canister itself will not drop. It will just open up and then the bomb does fall out. On the other side, we have a 4-rack high explosive bomb. It is nothing more than just fragmentation bomb, 100 kilograms. There's 4 of them on this pylon. The bomb itself is exactly the same as this one. They're just smaller and they all drop at the same time from the same pylon. The next one, as you can see in Cyrillic, it says RBK. That is cluster bomb, like the Western Rockeye cluster bomb. If settings are static, that means you cannot change the height of function, so it is a fixed setting, fixed fused bomb. But it's pretty effective against tanks, especially everything below that, so infantry, soft-skinned vehicles, SAM sites, and so on. After that we have the elimination bomb, and I cannot remember the name, SAB, and the S I do not remember what that stands for, but sometimes it is something with photo, something to do with a light. It is a elimination bomb. It has 7 little bombs in it, or not bombs technically, but flares that float in parachutes. So this is for lighting up a target area if you are the spotter plane, or for if you're going on a combat search and rescue and you want to have wide field of vision in the area where the pilot is, you drop that bomb, and that way you can see if any of the enemies are approaching. Or for eliminating enemy units or anything. So that is the quick overview of the bombs for the Su-25 in DCS world.